to the vlog. Yeah, say what up to the vlog. Yeah, hey, yeah. Woo! Yeah, everybody say what up to the vlog. Oh, that's some. You already know we come prepared, brother. Oh my God. Don't pop your tire next, buddy. Yeah! Get out of here! That shit hit me right in the fucking face.
Get a souvenir.
You won't do it backwards. What's going on over here? Why'd everybody?
You just missed it.
What'd they do?
They raced.
Who won?
The Camaro.
Yes, sir. You pop it up, pop it up. Be like, so I hit you off that mini bike. Here we go. Race time up in this bitch. Grab me another beer, brother. What the f just happened? What the f just happened? He beat that f***ing, what the hell was the SRT? Holy f***. I'm gonna get some roller skates and hold on to the back of a car. No. Yes, sir.
Bro, that shit all vibes.
The gun! Yo, I'm about to get a video. Everybody's skirting out, bro.
That's the beach like shit right here.
I'm not leaving, dude.
Yo, we had a color bar.
What What's going on?
One cop drove by.
Say bye.
Yo!
Oh, fuck, dude.
Hit that way, hit that way. I don't even know if you can go that way.
Time to go get my black musky head.
Arrived.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, how about you?
Pretty good.
This lure was in his throat. I don't know if that was yours or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. See ya. What time is it?
Movie time.
Movie time. Got the whole setup.